How to turn off your Snapchat notifications. So on iPhone, there's two ways to do this. One way is to go into Snapchat and go to your profile at the top left-hand corner and just go to the gear icon at the very then go ahead and scroll down until you see where it says notifications, and you can customize what you want to be notified or not notified by. But if this doesn't work, sometimes Snapchat will just turn these on. I've had that happen to me before. So what you can do is come out of Snapchat, go over to your settings, and then go all the way down to the bottom where it says apps. And we're going to type in Snapchat here. And then from here, what you can do is go down to where it says notifications and just very quickly toggle off allow notifications. So this is going to turn them all off no matter what you have in the app. I like this way better because it's very easy to do and very concrete, and it's real easy just to turn them back on as well. And that's it. That's how you would turn off your Snapchat notifications.